Talk about factoring trinomials, 10e, 10f. So if we look at our important words, we have equivalent, which means same or equal. It's literally in the word, equivalent. Then we have factor, which means same x-intercept. Same x-intercept. Or factored form just means same or equal. Just like that. All right. So looking at example 1, you have example 1, which expression is a factor of 18x squared minus 15x plus 2? My important word in this problem is going to be factor. And if I'm looking at my important words, factor means same x-intercept. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph everything. Graph it all. Graph this equation and graph all my answer choices. So let's go to the graph, new document, press no, add graph. We're going to type in 18x squared minus 15x plus 2, enter. So I have my two x-intercepts right here. I'm going to zoom in to make it easier to see. So go to menu, zoom in, just right there so it makes it easier. So we're going to press tab and we're going to put an answer choice A. And I want it to either touch this point right here or this point, wherever it touches the x-axis. So we're going to have 3x minus 2, enter. And see how this red line crosses that x-intercept right there? That's what we want. So if we're drawing the graph, our blue quadratic is this. I need the answer choice to either cross this point or this point. And my first answer choice crossed right here. So this is correct. I'm going to put a question mark. Let's check B just to be sure. 9x minus 1, enter. See how this black one didn't cross that point? It's real close, but it didn't cross. Let's try C. So let's eliminate B. Sorry. X minus 2, enter. That one's way off, so we can eliminate it. Tab. 2x minus 1, enter. That one came close, but it didn't touch the x-intercepts. The only one that touched the same x-intercept is the red line. So A will be my answer. So let's try example 2. Which expression is equivalent to m squared minus 13m minus 30? Now this question has two ways to solve it, and I'm going to show you both ways. Okay. So the first way, well, let's first find the important word. It's equivalent. Equivalent means same or equal. So to do this, we can change everything to x. We can change everything to x and graph it. That's a pretty easy way. Look for the same graph. So let's try that way. New document, press no, add graph. You have x squared minus 13x minus 30, enter, and I get this blue graph right here, this blue line. We're going to zoom out so you can see the whole thing. There it is. There's that U. And then now we're going to graph A. Tab, we're going to graph A. X minus 15, then x plus 2, enter. And so this one came out blue, and this one came out red. And see how that red one fell right on top of the blue one? That means this is my answer, but let's check B, C, and D. So let's press tab, x minus 10, parentheses, x minus 3, parentheses, enter. That's black. It didn't come out right on top, so that's eliminated. So let's try C, x plus 15, x minus 2, and that purple one didn't come on top, so that's not correct either. So then we have also x plus 10 and x plus 3. Enter. And that green one didn't come close either, green. All right, so that's the first way. The first method is graph. All right. The second method is var. So you can use control var, that's fine. It's whatever you prefer. So in this case, we had M. So we can do 3 control var M, enter. Either way, you're going to get the same exact answer, and I'm going to show you that just so you can see it. So we're going to go to calculator, 3 control var M, enter, and I'm going to type in this expression. Remember, when you're doing var, you need to put the 1 on top of all the letters. That is something, an extra step that you want to keep in mind. So you have, we're going to put this one in there first. M squared minus 13m1 minus 30, enter, that's negative 60. So that gave us negative 60. So if I check A, it's going to be m1 minus 15 parentheses m1 plus 2, enter, and that gave me negative 60. So either way you do it, you're going to get the same answer. It's just what you feel more comfortable with.